If you enjoy making fresh fruit and vegetable juice at home, having the right juicer can make the process faster, easier, and much more efficient. But with so many different models available, from high-power centrifugal juicers to nutrient-preserving cold press machines, it can be difficult to decide which one is actually worth buying. In today's video, we've researched and compared 5 popular juicers designed for home kitchens, looking at factors like power, juice yield, versatility, ease of cleaning, and overall value. We'll be ranking them from number 5 down to number 1 to help you find the best juicer for your needs. Let's get started. Starting off our list at number 5 is the KOS 1300W centrifugal juicer, a powerful option for anyone who wants fast and efficient juicing. This juicer features a strong 1300-watt full copper motor, which can extract juice from fruits and vegetables in just seconds. It also offers 3 different speed modes, allowing you to adjust the power depending on what you're juicing: softer fruits like oranges or tougher vegetables like carrots and beets. Another helpful feature is the extra-large 3-inch feed chute, which lets you add whole fruits and vegetables without needing to chop them first. Inside, the juicer uses a titanium-plated stainless steel filter with precision blades, helping improve juice yield while reducing clogging and foam. It also includes a 35-ounce juice jug and a large 100-ounce pulp container, making it convenient for preparing juice for the whole family. Overall, the KOS centrifugal juicer is a great high-power option for quick daily juicing. At number 4, we have the Hamilton Beach Big Mouth Juicer, a reliable and easy-to-use juicer that's very popular in many households. One of the biggest advantages of this model is its extra-large 3-inch feed chute, which allows you to juice whole fruits like apples or bunches of celery without cutting them first. It's powered by an 800-watt motor, giving it enough strength to extract juice from both hard and soft ingredients. The juicer also includes a large 80-ounce pulp bin, so you can make several servings without constantly stopping to empty it. Cleanup is simple as well, since the removable parts are dishwasher safe, and it even comes with a cleaning brush to help maintain the filter. Backed by a 3-year warranty, the Hamilton Beach Big Mouth Juicer is a solid and dependable choice for everyday juicing. Coming in at number 3 is the Ninja Neverclog Cold Press Juicer, a compact slow juicer designed for smooth, nutrient-rich juice. Unlike centrifugal juicers, this model uses a slow-rotating auger powered by a high-torque motor, helping extract juice while preserving more nutrients. One of its best features is total pulp control, which lets you choose between 2 pulp filters, one for less pulp and one for more pulp depending on your preference. Using it is very simple thanks to 2 one-touch controls for start/stop and reverse, which also help prevent clogging. It also includes a handy anti-drip lever, which helps prevent spills and keeps your countertop clean. Plus, the juicer has a compact design that easily fits under kitchen cabinets, and all juice contact parts are dishwasher safe. Overall, the Ninja Neverclog Cold Press Juicer is a great choice for anyone who wants a compact and easy-to-use slow juicer. At number 2, we have the Connolly C16 Cold Press Juicer, a powerful and versatile machine built for serious juicing. This model stands out because of its 3-in-1 functionality, allowing you to make fresh juice, creamy nut milk, and frozen fruit sorbets with interchangeable strainers. It also features a massive 6-inch extra-wide feed chute, which lets you add whole fruits like apples and pears without chopping them first. The juicer runs on a quiet AC brushless motor, operating at about 35 decibels, which makes it one of the quieter machines in this category. Another highlight is the large 90-ounce hopper, perfect for preparing juice for the whole family or doing batch juicing. And when you're finished, all removable parts are BPA-free and dishwasher safe, making cleanup simple. Because of its versatility, quiet operation, and large capacity, the Connolly C16 earns the number 2 spot on our list. Taking the number 1 spot is the enormous 3-in-1 cold press juicer. Thanks to its combination of power, versatility, and capacity, this juicer offers 3 functions in one machine, allowing you to make fresh juice, nut milk, and frozen fruit sorbets using interchangeable strainers. One of its most impressive features is the extra-wide 6.5-inch feed chute, which can handle large whole fruits and vegetables, dramatically reducing prep time. It also includes a huge 100-ounce hopper, making it ideal for families or batch juicing multiple servings at once. Inside, the juicer is powered by a high-torque AC motor, which can easily handle tough ingredients while maintaining excellent juice yield. Despite its power, the machine is designed to be easy to maintain, with dishwasher-safe removable parts and a detachable pulp ejector that simplifies cleaning. Because of its large capacity, strong performance, and multi-function design, the enormous 3-in-1 cold press juicer takes the #1 spot on our list. Those were our picks for 5 of the best juicers you can add to your kitchen right now. Each of these machines offers different strengths, whether you're looking for fast everyday juicing, a quiet cold press machine, or a versatile juicer that can also make nut milk and sorbet. If you'd like to check the current prices or read more customer reviews, you can find the links for all of these juicers in the description below. And if you found this video helpful, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss our latest home and kitchen finds, product reviews, and buying guides. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.